Can ETFs protect against a drop in the markets or a drop in Bitcoin? There is a demand for products that allow investors to still stay invested but provide some protection on the downside. Let's talk with Matt Kaufman. He's the Senior Vice President and Head of ETFs for Calamos. And Michael Venuto is the CIO and co-founder of Tidal Financial Group. Matt, we're here at an auspicious moment. Tomorrow, you're launching an ETF that aims to capture some of Bitcoin's upside with 100% downside protection. Now, most people are going to say, what? How does this work?
Yeah.
Explain it to us, and what are you giving up for this protection?
Yeah, you said it. Tomorrow, January 22nd, we're launching the world's first protected Bitcoin ETF. You get the upside of Bitcoin, cap rate. If you're familiar with outcome-based strategies, the cap rate's about 10 to 11.5% with 100% protection over a 1-year outcome period.
So if Bitcoin, let me just get this right, if Bitcoin is 10% higher in the 1-year period from tomorrow, your ETF is going to underperform. You're going to give up everything above that.
You give up the upside past that cap rate.
Right.
But yeah, if you think of the cap rate today, it's about 3 times what you might get on a risk-free rate product. So you get really strong upside.
So if you perform in line, but you're below 10%, you're in line if you're below 10%.
Yeah.
And then if Bitcoin is down in that period, you have protection to whatever. If it's down 10%,
that's right.
You're made whole. If it's down 20%, all the way down to 100%.
That's right. Capture up to that cap rate, 10, 12% with principal protection.
This is what, it's hard to get this product straight. The challenge here, as I understand it, is you only get 100% protection if you buy it tomorrow, right, on January 22nd. If you buy after that, right, for this product, if Bitcoin is down, you'll get, it changes, right? Explain how this works.
We can walk through that. So tomorrow we're going to open the ETF around $25. So you might get it around $25.01. It's a little different than all the other defined outcome funds in the market. We're going to open right at $25. So you may pay $25.01. You can get in all day long, get that 100% protection, and then at the end of the day, we're going to strike the cap.
Okay.
And so we do it that way because Bitcoin is a volatile asset. You know, we don't want the price of Bitcoin to move on you overnight, so we're giving you that chance to get 100% protection over that 1-year outcome period.
Right, okay, so, I think they have a good idea about it.
Yeah.
Mike, I want to bring in you here. There's an explosion of these crypto products coming. I saw filings in the last week for new crypto products around Solana ETFs coming, XRP ETFs, that's Ripple, by the way. And I'm sure we're going to see more products around. I hear about bundling cryptos into indexes, putting multiple crypto products into indexes coming down the road. Give us a sense of what you see coming. Here's a short list of it, but Bitcoin with the equities, for example. What do you see? We're just talking about crypto products right now.
Sure. So we help people launch and grow ETFs, and every single day we're getting pitched a new crypto idea. So we've seen stacking. Last week we had a filing for a client that's all the crypto bonds, the convertible debts, the way that the institutions are investing in them. I know Calamos invest in some of the MicroStrategy converts as well. We're seeing stacking. We're seeing...
Stacking is what?
Bitcoin and gold. We talked about it before, but basically $1 gets you $1 of Bitcoin exposure and $1 of gold exposure. I'm seeing products that are Bitcoin plus carbon futures. This morning we saw a slew of filings for things that included Dogecoin and this new Trump meme coin. That's not us, but to each their own.
It's not us either.
You seem to be running away. What, you have a problem with meme coins? There's no fundamentals behind a meme coin, obviously.
No, I think
that seems
that's right.
to be why you're sort of
Yeah, from Calamos's perspective, we're a 50-year-old risk manager. Now that there's options available on Bitcoin, that's the space we want to operate in. We want to deliver risk-managed exposure, now that it's available to people. So that's the space we're going to operate in. You're not going to see meme coin, ETFs from Calamos, but the ability to access Bitcoin in a way that meets your risk tolerance, that's what we're about.